The crucial next step for setting up your emergency call protocols is to establish the dispatchable locations. This feature is vital because it allows your system to accurately identify the specific geographic location from where an emergency call is placed. This vital location data will automatically be attached to the email alerts sent via the emergency call template, ensuring the right location information reaches the pre-configured email addresses. Step 1. To begin, navigate to the PBX menu, select Emergency Calls, and then click on Dispatchable Locations. Step 2. Adding location details. Here, we first add a name to easily identify this physical location. Next, enter the full address details and the caller ID information, name and number, that will be specifically used for this location. Typically, when using services like E911, you rely on special caller ID information to uniquely associate it with your registered dispatchable location, ensuring accurate routing to emergency responders. Step 3. Setting a default location. You also have the option to set this location as the default. If an extension or a hub desking device does not have a specific dispatchable location assigned, the system will automatically use this default entry. Step 4. After entering your data, be sure to save and apply changes. Remember, you can create as many dispatchable locations as your organizational needs require. Step 5. Assigning locations to extensions. Finally, you can assign the created dispatchable locations to any extension under the device settings. This assignment also applies to any hub desking devices you use. Note that extensions and hub desking devices maintain their own emergency caller ID information, which is separate and distinct from any external caller ID, ensuring correct identification during an emergency call flow. This setup guarantees that your end users can place emergency calls safely and without hassle at any time.